What if I told you the magic of Studio Ghibli isn't locked away in Tokyo? That you, yes, you, could create animations with that same breathtaking, handcrafted beauty, using just text prompts and the power of Grok 3 from X. In a matter of minutes, you can convert these pictures into Ghibli-style to an animation and make them speak like this.
It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop.
This video is for you if your ChatGPT reaches its limit or encounters an issue when creating your Ghibli art. Part 1. Image to Ghibli art. To get started, sign into your X account and open Grok. Select the Edit Image button, then pick the photo you want to edit. Simply type to Ghibli style. To begin converting your photo into Ghibli art, click the Send button. Next, save it by clicking the Download button. Part 2. Ghibli photo to Ghibli animation. To get started, simply type 2.1 into your browser. The video description also contains a link to the website. Next, click Login and create a free account using the options provided. Select the AI video menu, then choose the Image to Video option. Next, upload your Ghibli photo. You can claim your credits to use when creating videos by clicking on the Credits button. Keep in mind that you earn credits every day by checking in. Select the Generate Video button to begin generating your Ghibli animation. To save your Ghibli video, click Download. Part 3. AI Lip Sync. To begin, just type and search Pixverse on your browser and select the first option. Next, click Login and create a free account using the options provided. Click the Create button from the dashboard. Select the speech menu from the Pixverse dashboard. Then, upload your Ghibli animation. Now write your AI character's video script. Next, select an AI voice from the list.
I'm Liam, with time.
Activate the original audio option, and initiate the lip sync process by clicking the Create button. Once complete, download your AI video to your PC.
It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you don't stop.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.